I got some deliveries and this time it is from Maskara Cebu. Maskara Cebu is the first one to offer Sisig Bake here in Cebu. So yes guys, say goodbye to your oily sisig. So yes, that is your favorite sisig mixed with mayonnaise and topped with chicharon. So see, I am so happy also nga gi-separate nila ang chicharon sa packaging niya. Ikaw na mo butang to make it sure nga crispy paghihapon siya inikaon nimo. Honestly, I would like to give a big thumbs up to Maskara Cebu for coming up with this type of recipe or dish. Kaya nagaling wala pa ko ni kaon for the moment nga pag-slice na ko or pagkuha na kong portion sa sisig, na feel na nako ang crunchiness ug ang mura galig texture sa meat. Kanang wala na, happy na gyud dayon ko because I think this is the sisig galing nga kanang the Pampanga or the Manila sisig nga wala kaayo na to nganhi sa Cebu. And this is very affordable too. So for 500 pesos, you can have a sisig bake to share. So that would be around 500 grams of rice plus 500 grams of sisig. They have this in solo also, which is at 150 pesos, which has 150 grams of rice plus 150 grams of sisig. To order, you may just message the official social media accounts or I'll drop the numbers down below. And trust me, lami good siya. Kanagaling murag I usually say nga dapat sakto ang proportion sa rice ug sisig, but this time kanang murag manginahanglan makog rice oy. And but for that, di ba? Kaon na diretso oy from the bowl, kay promise. Murag kuwang man ni siya nako. Like ideally this is to share, pero murag dili na ko i-share. I'll be eating half of this and half of it ako sang i-save para ugma. So see, ako lang i-flex para makakita mo kung unsa siya ka-rich and tasty by just looking at it. And then more chicharon. Hope they'll offer like free or additional chicharon plus calamansi too. But then again guys, always remember to eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating. And lastly, to follow me in all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep on smiling. Bye-bye!